Hey everyone, welcome to the Techno Trend Zone today. We're diving into the buzz surrounding Sony's latest innovation. Join me as we unravel the rumors, leaks and expectations for the Sony A7V, the potential game changer in the world of photography and videography. Of the photography world is abuzz with rumors. The photography world is abuzz with anticipation surrounding the Sony A7V, the highly anticipated successor to the acclaimed A7 IV. Sony's A7 series has long been a favorite among hybrid shooters, offering a seamless blend of photo and video capabilities. Based on leaked details, the A7V is shaping up to be a groundbreaking addition to the series, potentially setting a new standard for mirrorless cameras. This in-depth exploration will delve into the rumored features under 7 key headings, culminating in a discussion of its potential impact. Is this the ultimate upgrade creators have been waiting for? Let's explore the rumored specs, groundbreaking features, and everything we think we know about Sony's next masterpiece. Design and build. Leaked images suggest the Sony A7V will maintain a similar ergonomic design to its predecessors while introducing subtle refinements. The grip appears slightly deeper, catering to those who prioritize comfort during extended shoots. Improved weather sealing is also expected, making the A7V more robust for outdoor use. Sony is rumored to incorporate a new button layout emphasizing ease of use, especially for hybrid creators switching between photo and video modes. A larger LCD screen with a more responsive touch interface might also debut, addressing user feedback from the A7 IV. Sensor and image quality. The A7V is rumored to feature a new 33MP full-frame stack sensor, offering faster readout speeds and better low-light performance. This could significantly reduce rolling shutter in stills and video, a common concern with mirrorless cameras. Enhanced dynamic range, possibly exceeding 15 stops, is another exciting prospect. If these leaks hold, the A7V will deliver exceptional image quality for professional photographers and enthusiasts alike, with detailed textures and accurate color reproduction across lighting conditions. Autofocus enhancements. Sony has consistently led the market in autofocus innovation, and the A7V is expected to build on this legacy. Improved real-time tracking and eye autofocus for humans, animals, and birds are rumored, with better AI-driven subject recognition. Reports suggest the A7V will include new algorithms tailored for sports and action photographers, enabling precise tracking of fast-moving subjects. Enhanced low-light AF performance is also likely, making it a reliable choice for astrophotography or event shoots in dim settings. Video capabilities. For videographers, the A7V leaks are particularly tantalizing. The camera is expected to support 8K recording at 30 frames per second and 4K at up to 120 frames per second with 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording. Sony may introduce new codecs to improve video quality while maintaining manageable file sizes. Advanced heat dissipation, similar to the A1, is rumored to allow for longer recording times without overheating. With enhanced stabilization features and a rumored dual-gain ISO system, the A7V could become a top choice for cinematic productions and high-end content creators. Connectivity and workflow. The A7V is expected to offer cutting-edge connectivity features, including dual-band Wi-Fi 6, USB-C with faster transfer speeds, and dual card slots supporting CF Express Type A and SD UHS-2 cards. These upgrades aim to streamline workflows, particularly for professionals handling large files. Leaks also hint at seamless integration with Sony's Imaging Edge app, offering advanced remote control and cloud-based storage options. These features underscore Sony's commitment to enhancing the shooting and post-production experience. Battery life and power management. Battery life is a critical factor for professionals, and the A7V is rumored to feature improved power efficiency. It may use the same NP-FC100 battery as its predecessors but with better optimization for extended shoots. A rumored USB power delivery feature could allow the camera to charge faster and even operate via external power banks, addressing the needs of on-the-go creators. Price and market position. The A7V is expected to position itself as a mid to high-tier camera within Sony's lineup, potentially priced around $2,500 to $2,800. While this might seem steep, the rumored features suggest it will offer significant value for hybrid shooters who demand the best of both worlds. Sony's aggressive approach to innovation indicates the A7V will compete strongly with alternatives like the Canon R6 Mark II and Nikon Z9. Conclusion. The Sony A7V leaks paint a picture of a highly capable, versatile camera that could redefine what's possible in the mid-range mirrorless market. With its rumored advancements in sensor technology, autofocus, and video capabilities, the A7V is shaping up to be a dream tool for both photographers and videographers. If Sony delivers on these leaks, the A7V will not only strengthen its position in the mirrorless arena, but also set a new benchmark for hybrid cameras. While official details are yet to be confirmed, the anticipation surrounding the A7V highlights the enduring appeal of Sony's A7 series. Thank you for watching Techno Trend Zone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and you don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notifications. See you in the next video.